Years ago, I heard a story that completely reframed how I think about service. A couple went out to dinner on their wedding night. Nothing extravagant, just a great local steakhouse. A year later, they came back to celebrate their anniversary. When they walked in, the same waiter greeted them by name. He remembered their favorite table, their drink order, the exact wine they'd had a year earlier. He even said, "Last time, you loved the mushrooms, but I think you'll really enjoy the new risotto on the menu." That's not luck. That's design. He didn't have a photographic memory. The restaurant had a system. Someone had logged those details. Someone cared enough to track what mattered, and then use that information to make the next experience even better. That's what systems with soul looks like. Now think about how rare that is in real estate. Most brokerage either over-systemize until the humanity disappears, or they run on personality with zero infrastructure. Neither works for long. The sweet spot is when your systems make people feel more human, not less. When your tech actually embraces the connection instead of replacing it. When your operations make it easier for leaders to lead and agents to perform. That's what I found with Energy Realty. Here, leadership isn't a title, it's a function. Our managing brokers, our growth leaders, our support teams, they're all part of a living system designed around the agent experience. The tools are built to serve people, not turn them into data points. The systems make recognition, communication, and support automatic, not robotic. It's the difference between having technology and using it with intention. Because you can automate a process, but you can't automate care. At Energy, we blend both. We've built a brokerage where structure amplifies humanity, where tech gives leaders superpowers instead of scripts, how we scale culture without losing it. It's how we stay boutique while growing nationally. And that, to me, is leadership done right. It's what every great company I've studied has figured out. You don't need more systems, you need smarter ones. Systems that remember people, anticipate needs, empower leaders to actually lead. That's what we mean when we say energy is built different. It's not a slogan, it's a framework. I'm going to show you that this approach doesn't just work, it scales. We'll talk about the proof, how world-class brands like Ritz Carlton have been doing this for decades, and how Energy's version of boutique at scale finally makes it real in real estate.